Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, black door handles, inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, bucket seats, compass. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.